Recently, ChatGPT hit an all-time high in user activity. And the reason? A viral Studio Ghibli feature that took the internet by storm. In just 48 hours, over 12 million new users flooded ChatGPT following the viral trend. But with great power comes great responsibility and risk. So in this video, we'll explore what sparked this ChatGPT boom and what dangers you need to watch out for. Let's start with what happened. A TikTok creator used ChatGPT and image generation tools to reimagine everyday people and celebrities in the style of Studio Ghibli. The results? Magical, whimsical, and insanely shareable. The #Ghibli challenge tag racked up 180 million views in just 3 days. Soon, everyone, from influencers to grandparents, was asking ChatGPT to script Ghibli-inspired scenes. Social media platforms exploded with user-generated content. This trend turned ChatGPT into a household name overnight. OpenAI's daily usage crossed 100 million prompts per day by the end of that week. The viral moment showed just how fast AI can go from useful to unstoppable. But behind the magic lies a digital minefield. Let's break down the risks. ChatGPT can generate convincing but false facts, especially when used casually. Example: one prompt asked ChatGPT to create a fictional Ghibli movie from 1998. Users shared it as real. Result? Confused fans and misleading articles. When you input personal data into ChatGPT, that data may be stored for training purposes. OpenAI doesn't sell data, but privacy isn't bulletproof either. Remember, ChatGPT is not a private diary. With Ghibli-style storytelling, people spent up to 7 hours a day crafting fantasy prompts. AI-generated entertainment can be more addictive than social media. Ironically, too much help from ChatGPT can weaken your own creative muscles. Instead of using AI to replace your ideas, use it to enhance them. ChatGPT can unknowingly remix copyrighted material. Some Ghibli-inspired scripts closely mimicked scenes from actual movies. This led to copyright takedowns on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Teachers reported students using ChatGPT to generate essays and story analyses on Ghibli films. In one case, 30% of a class submitted nearly identical AI-written reviews of Spirited Away. AI is powerful, but real learning happens through thinking, not copying. Let's not forget, Ghibli films are about human emotion and authenticity. If we let machines do all the feeling and imagining, we risk losing what makes us human. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI can empower you if used wisely. Here's how to stay safe and inspired in the age of AI creativity. Start the idea yourself, then ask ChatGPT to help refine or expand it. This way, your voice stays at the center. Avoid inputting names, passwords, or private locations into ChatGPT. Just like you wouldn't tell secrets to a stranger online. Always double-check any historical or factual claims it makes. A quick Google search can save a lot of embarrassment. AI tools are exciting, but remember to unplug and create on your own. Balance is key to avoiding burnout. If you're inspired by Ghibli, say so. Creativity thrives in transparency, not imitation. So where do we go from here? ChatGPT's viral Ghibli moment was a turning point for creative AI. It showed us the potential of technology to entertain and connect us. But it also revealed how quickly things can spiral out of control. With over 180 million active users now, the AI world isn't slowing down. Your job? Be an informed creator. Embrace the fun, but don't forget the fundamentals. AI is a tool, not a replacement for your imagination. The magic of Ghibli is its heart, its emotion, and its humanity. Let AI help you dream, but don't let it do all the dreaming for you. Because in the end, it's not about prompts or pixels. It's about the stories we tell and the lives they touch. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, stay safe, and stay curious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart takes on AI and creativity.